nó bé cũng mua cho chương trình đào trái thiên bé yêu số mua cái ở đây nó hay liu tao can đấy mà lý do bé mua không phải trả cho tốn xài tao can đấy chị bé cũng mua ít lồng hoa thiên ấy là nó thọ sự là họ lúc sáng đến cho bé nhỏ thiên đây nó cũng bé hồi rồi à cú yêu tụ MC nhớ cho bé lúc còn chơi nhớ tụi nó giờ này nó chính chính là một cú xã thọ cho sự đóng góp thì giải tỏ từ bắt tháng nhớ cho lúc còn Hmong Service Center Mỹ à
trong xe tàu bỏ để cho năng số tụ tôi cầm bé cầm Hmong Service Center lưu công trình và cái trong xe là giờ chơi xe tàu bé cho tôi chân xài và một trong mong tàu chạy bé cho nhiều cần đại lên cho scholarship giờ này nó bé cũng quay cho nó cho chữ tôi hậu nó và lấy cho mình cả thế giờ này nó cũng chân tàu thì tàu bé phần chân bé yang bao luôn mình cả lại chỗ tụ bỏ xứ giờ này nó và cú yo và hai lu ăn kín á cú hai thằng đó này chỉ có mà chat hay mẹ briefly cho bé cho này cho gì tụ bỏ nhá họ nào là họ chỉ tao tao cho luôn mình cả thế nếu xem đây nè mà. Good afternoon. My name is Mi Yang, President of the Hmong Service Center. On behalf of the Hmong Service Center, we welcome our distinguished guests, speakers, members, award recipients, and families. Thank you all for taking this beautiful afternoon off to attend the first Hmong Service Center Scholarship Award Banquet. This is the first time in the history of the organization that we are able to give out scholarships to our students. These funds are from the festivals that the Hmong Service Center held in 2016 and 2017. A lot of thank yous go to the Board of Directors, members, the City of Oshkosh, the County of Winnebago, County Parks Department, the Oshkosh Police Department, and the several event coordinators and team members such as the setup team, admission, opening ceremony, parking team, sports, stage entertainment, cleanup, and general administration. All these various groups helped contribute in making this scholarship project possible. Let's give all of them a big round of applause. Scholarship has been on the agenda of the Hmong Service Center, at least during my term, for a long period of time, and today is the day that a dream has become a reality. We have come a long way to get to where we're at today. I cannot express how pleased I am on the accomplishment. On behalf of the Board of Directors and members of the Hmong Service Center, it is our hope and vision to continue supporting and giving out more scholarships in the future. We see the importance of our children's education and will do everything in our power and ability to see that they get the support they need because our children are our future and leaders tomorrow. Yalina kuyawa chat time me wa pe la lu mong de pe chao ni wa chi sha da. Yalina rong xie zai ta ne chuan chu tu to zhao lu kong chen hu na chi sang chap le nu na mo chen vì yang mon dao ban dao pe le yang dao tu ning. Và tàu là một ship ban trong này bé theo tàu bé cho cái bảo sửa là chỉ xí nhá trong lúc nào giờ này là thảo vật trâu rồi chẳng bồi nhá trong hậu lúc còn hồng hồng cho chú chúa nhá trong hậu bé lúc còn hậu đấy giờ bé cho là cho chú city council thế mayor là nhá trong hậu city là một trâu cho là chú nhá trong hậu county thế parks department là giờ tạm luôn thiên đầu đợi bé cứu trường chúa bây giờ tôi đây nông sự bây giờ sports coordinator ít tôi nhớ cho học nào thế chỉ tại là bây giờ entertainment coordinator lấy do hạt tiền bây giờ là một tổ phá đây nông cho xua phá nông nhớ cho bị parks lý để chế sau như là khởi trong lấy do khởi cái không sản sinh lấy do sáng cái tuần chế đó giờ bây một tàu ba bên năng bây theo một tàu bây giờ cũng chân ở sông ở chế cầu trâu cầu xa nó giờ vì mua li nó bây theo một tàu lúc cũng chân hú nó là mua ở bên phá nó cho là một allocate với cho scholarship này nha, bù đắp cho bây giờ tôi chọn sai là cho cái cần đại lắm ha. Giờ này nó hay cho cái bát chuẩn là bây giờ tôi xài, giờ lúc rằng mua lấy cho cái bảo sửa, nhớ trở lại bây lúc còn hậu lúc xưa luôn chữ là đầu lúc xong là chỉ sang lúc xưa hơi cũ là tua lúc còn hậu nó cũยังmua cho cái chia sẻ sang trong này tiền, mấy nô tư cũยังmua cả tàu, ý là đã chỉ cho bây giờ mong lấy bây giờ mình tới mình nhỏ, hệ chữ sinh chập lại nó nọ, cho scholarship này hệ ý giả, cụ xã tàu nhất là cụ Lucia, và cụ yên tàu cho lũ cho chữ cho hai địa cụ là, và tụ cho lúc còn học nó lại cụ yên là khử cả tàu, ý cho nhiều là chơi cho bây giờ tôi chọn xài lúc nào bây giờ tao chỉ xí lại khả năng của trong xe hàng của thao của châu tan thao châu và tao mua cái công tệ là tao mua phần sửa bây lúc nào thì chỉ xí chẳng này giờ nên nó của châu châu tan là của trong board là do cho chỉ cho nhau cho lúc cần học bây giờ cái xí chơi là chơi bây giờ tôi chọn xài nó vì lấy học bây lúc nâng tận đây lấy học bây giờ cho nó cho cho lúc nâng tận đây bây giờ tao xí công tệ chơi chỉ có tuần sai của tụi tư là giờ bé mi tụi mình nhiều tan thọ bé trong xe hàng năm mà trong xe hàng thì không nói chẳng mua thia thọ cho nên sẽ đến thọ bé nhỏ còn ta bé cho sẽ thành thia họ thọ bé này plum mà ok trong xe bé mà đi nhiều một vài nhiều chế nữa mà
tổng chỉ nên một quốc gia thọ cho chùa trẻ ya là hai áp bé lò lù nên ít thu co-founder là ít thu member nhớ là họ lúc còn Hmong Service Center giờ lại thọ sẽ đến bộ tây giải đó này.
My name is Li Yang. I was one of the founders of Hmong Service Center when the organization was created in the summer of 1984. I have been a member and supporter of Hmong Service Center since it was created. I served on the board in the early 1990s, as vice president in the early 2000s, as an advisor from 2004 to 2013. The Hmong Service Center Incorporation was initially created to help the Hmong refugees adapt to their new country. The organization received local, state, and federal grants to provide services, translations, job trainings, educations, and etc. until the late 1990s, when funds began to diminish. In June 2000, the Hmong Service Center Incorporation started to fundraise to help maintain Hmong Service Center services under the leadership of President Teng Tho and myself as the Vice President. In the history of the organization, we were never able to do any scholarship to our students. I'm very happy that we are able to do this today. Our goal is to help see that our children get the support they need. Thank you. Quý hai mấy WANGLUE mong cho tụ phần chỉ chỉ bao cuối ấy tụ nó chỉ trả lũ còn họ nó bỏ thấy sẽ chụp bồi chụp bao lò thật ra cũng chính là tụ nó lúa xin là cái và đó này cú volunteer bắt đầu lúc còn họ nó bỏ thằng đó là tiền con nên nó này nọ vì cũng chẳng là tiền bên ấy hay nên chơi tụ nó luôn nhau bên nhau họ tiền bên chủ nhau cả một bảo môn gì nhau cả một chơi chơi trò cóอยู่อันนั้นว่าที่โรงเรียนให้นั่งก็อยู่ที่ป้าต่ออยู่ที่สถานีนั่นล่ะรู้จักฉันเราเกี่ยวกับหรือที่นอจีแล้วที่ลีพอที่ป้าอยู่ที่ไอ้คุณจะกินจังอย่างไรกูที่ลีว่าเขาหรือว่าลันที่ป้าเราก็หอนะพวกทำแต่ละชนิดนู้นนะจะเล่าอันเราจีจ้าแต่รู้จีได้ใจฝันจ้องที่โดนด่าตาเลยแต่สิจะรัวๆใจกูอีตู้พวกถอยจะปล้อนนั่นนะไอ้กูที่จะยังรู้รองที่ป้าเราก็หอนะจะเนี่ยนู้นไหนวันนี้เสด็จจ้า
chỉ mù rồi giờ cái hai lô lon đó chú ý cha ôi giờ ít tu sư lâu này nhớ là họ phải lui rồi nó nếu cứ giờ ít tu mà nhớ là họ phải lui câu hỏi Hmong Service Center nó thiam giờ lại thọ sự đến bộ thế giải tỏ chú ý cha
nhớ rong đa sự cú hỗ trợ chỉ rong thì cú muốn chỉ sợ cả thì thọ này họ không chọn dễ lũ sư này nó là dần thuวันที่เก่าลูกเจ้าฮินดูชงอาเทียเก่ายียาเลยนะกูอยู่ละหาไปลาลู vấn đề nó và cho lúc rõ Oshkosh và cho lúc lát with cousin cố giờ itu member nhà cho lúc cộng học xong ý chia cho bữa cho ao của tôi cho lúc tết chơi gì cả bong cho lúc rõ Oshkosh nào vấn đề của ấy tu member để sự tạo ra nó của ấy tu lúc rõ chú của ấy tu lão nhà cho lúc cộng học vấn đề rồi là cho lúc nào lo cho lúc nào của hay nó cũng hay sợ chết cho họ bé và cho member nhà cho lúc rõ Oshkosh là giờ họ lúc cộng học và bé tàu cộng tệ là một sĩ ba cứ bao nhiêu tiền và giờ là ba trâu bé chạy mông là giờ bé chạy năng nhớ trâu lúc tết chả mi cả nó còn nó mất thả thì bên mình chỉ ôn tết kia đâu này hết tiền bây giờ lúc còn học mê thì chỉ bây giờ cái xa hay tiền tây niên tây gì cho bây tờ cho luôn năng nhớ cho lúc tây thời cho nhẹ bây tờ cho luôn năng cho nhẹ giờ nên là bây tua cho lúc tây thời vàng mình bây tua nhớ cho lúc năng mua giờ nên là bây giờ tao xỉu đi lúc tây thời lúc năng mua bây cứ tao chơi là bây theo càng gì thì giờ lên nó bây giờ tao mới khảo là ba trò bây chơi mong là giờ ba trò lúc tây chơi nó trở đi lúc tây chơi nó luôn sau khi ba thiên giờ lên nó bây sẽ đi mua ở bây phản nhiên nó là ba trò này cho tôi chọn xài nè còn nó hay đó này cho tôi chọn xài hay tiền nên年的只要加入内是，但是呢，叫都讲才只要那年的制度，要被这蒙堵呢，还得拿到内嘛，那年的制主要都有内是哦，但是呢，人要被这蒙堵都来就动才，那考兵车就可能，弄到被这里，这一桌跳二桌，老被这里，用什么叫老八桌被叫都讲才。讲蒙，被这蒙，多年走路得讲了。路嘛我找那叫你叫子，那股在我呢我子，再叫那叫都讲才，铁简单，铁到木头好用，铁到可以用，这是股伤害的，这种呢，那么那叫都讲才就要我们说用了，包点弄了多有多难念了呢？我啥呢？但是在你家了，这一桌了要，你家了10本，也给罢了，让那道菜了个，那种学的，那，搞那种学的，但是呢，最后留起到大好那，让你再到来，你路好偏，看你念。你种个么个做呢？看你车，你们车个到，老我被蒙堵呢，老被蒙堵呢，这样都到了人，要被蒙堵，东才到了要被蒙堵呢，海里老师，路嘅，古海里老师，就是追人子，香港那到了，就是出家知道到，操着都学呢。ba trò luôn năng tận đây nó và đầu tư bây lúc còn hồng ba to là lý giải là món ăn bây giờ hiện gì đó nữa bây giờ hiện gì đó và bây to là bây giờ chỉ cho chơi đó hay là nó cho bây ít trồng nhẹ trồng gì và bây giờ tu chọn xài nè tôi cho lúc tết chơi nó lại bây giờ là ít trong lỗ rủ thì chỉ nên chọn xài tu chọn xài nên luôn năng chẳng cho nên đây 周学，考能车周学， họ nên sắm cả cho bây giờ nên cho gì nên tàu lại là bây giờ tàu thế nên rồng bây giờ rồng thế ấy cho tàu lại là cả châu xuyên rồi họ cho chỉ tàu là cả sáu trở tu xuyên ba trở lúc năng tận đây nó mua bây giờ有班几天路不就来就这里那是结果找路那路上那么找路多这呢也一路上望给从那天被路更好更高呢哎我找呢
Next up, I would like to call upon our mayor, Mayor Steve Cummings, from the city of Oshkosh, to please give a few remarks for today's event. The city of Oshkosh Mayor Steve Cummings. Mayor.
Thank you for inviting me to be part of your scholarship award banquet this afternoon. It's an honor to be included in this historic event. Congratulations to the well-deserving students and their families who are receiving scholarships today. I've had the opportunity to attend the Hmong Memorial Day event as well as the Labor Day celebration at County Park. They are a testament to the hard work and dedication behind the Hmong Service Center. It has been rewarding to work with VANG on events such as Unity and Community, and in the process learn more about your culture. Wisconsin has the third largest Hmong population in the United States. And since the first Hmong family resettled in Oshkosh in 1980, continues to contribute to the richness and quality of life in our community. This diversity makes Oshkosh a world-class city and a great place to live, work, play, and learn. Congratulations again to your future leaders, and thank you.
Next up, I would like to call upon our City of Oshkosh Police Chief, Dean Smith. City of Oshkosh City Police Chief, Dean Smith.
First, I'd like to say thank you for allowing me to be here with you to celebrate these scholarships that are going to be awarded today. It's amazing to me the work that has come into making this happen for the Hmong community. This being the first scholarship award, I think, is an amazing feat. And me, I don't see you out there. I'm sure you're working somewhere. That's an incredible feat, and I think that should be certainly honored for the work that both me and everybody within the Hmong community has done to make this happen. So thank you very much, and you should give each of you an applause. Thank you for that. You know, I believe that this scholarship initiative reinforces the commitment to developing the youth in the Hmong community. It's about parents, which I am one as well, giving back to our children and hoping that the future is as great as we can possibly make it for them. It's my hope that the Hmong Service Center can make this a tradition that endures year after year. For those of you that are receiving the scholarships, I just want to share with you 5 real quick thoughts that really come to mind. First of all, I want you to work hard. If you work hard, you can attain anything that you want to do. You can be whoever you want to be. Next, I want you to honor your families. You should honor the work that has come to bring you here today, to raise you, to give you the guidance, to give you the drive that you have to be all that you can be in your life to come. You should always strive to be the best that you can be. Don't settle for anything less than being the best that you can be. Only you can decide what that is, but you should work hard to make sure that you get there. And number 4, you can reach your goals, but you have to set your goals. You have to set the goal that you want to make. You have to make sure that that goal is attainable for you, and understand that as life goes on, your goals are going to change. When I first became a police officer 30 years ago, I never would have believed that I would have become a police chief. My goals changed. As I grew in my profession and my career, I realized that maybe I could do more. I realized that as a leader, I might be able to give back even more to the community. And so my goals changed. My goals evolved, and they became loftier. But I recognized that through the goal setting that I was doing, I was going to have to work very, very hard to get where I am. And that involved education. That involved constantly learning. That involved constantly making myself do the hard work that I had to do in order to attain the goal that I'd set for myself. And finally, I would share with you that, once again, that you can be whatever it is that you want to be. Just work towards it. Just work towards being the person that you need to be in order to reach those goals that you set for yourself. And in closing, just want to tell you once again, honor your parents, thank your parents every day, and know that they care about you and they want only the best for you. Thank you.
Next up, I would like to call upon Dr. Barbara Herzog to come up here and give a few remarks. Dr. Barbara Herzog, she worked and is on the Oshkosh School Board and is currently a staff member at the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh. Everyone, please give her a warm welcome.
It's an honor and a pleasure to be here with you today. It's always so exciting to represent the school board who believe strongly in education, to be with people who are representing success of education. And each of you graduates represent that success. But we're also celebrating another kind of success, or successes today, and that is the success of the Hmong Service Center and being able to award scholarships to so many individuals. It's so impressive to me to see how, in such a short period of time, the Service Center has been able to raise funds to provide this wonderful opportunity to all of our honors graduates today. This is a time of year when we typically reflect back on who has had a great influence on us and our success in education. And as I was speaking with Katrina back there and asking her about some of her favorite classroom teachers, she was able to bring some of those people to mind. But as I was thinking about coming here today and joining you, it occurred to me that there are some other teachers that we don't really pay much attention to, although Dean Smith, Chief Smith referred to them today, and those are the parents. Parents are the first teachers. Your parents taught you to do so many things. How to use a spoon, how to use a restroom, how to maybe learn your alphabet, how to speak in Hmong, how to do so many things to get you ready for formal education. So let's give all the parents in this room a big round of applause. It helps so much when parents prepare their children to join formal education, to give them a good start before they enter the formal K-12 system. One of our former United States presidents who was well loved was named John F. Kennedy. Maybe some of you have heard of him. And John Kennedy used to say that children are our most valuable resource. And that's so true, because you are the future. You are the future of the Hmong community. You are the future of the Oshkosh community and the Wisconsin community. It is so important for you young people who are receiving scholarships today to continue to be the positive role models that you are. It's important for you. Your education is important for you, but it's also important for your family, because your family benefits from the education that you acquire, no matter where that is. But it also benefits the community of Oshkosh. It allows us to attract better jobs. It attracts us, it provides Oshkosh with an opportunity to provide more and more services and opportunities for recreation and all kinds of things that Steve Herman referred to, making Oshkosh a better place for all of us to live, learn, work, and play. So continue to be the good role models that you already are. Role models are so important to the younger children who are here today. I've seen some amazing and very cute young people who someday may be receiving scholarships, and you are so important to them. You're important to the Hmong community to see your successes and to celebrate them, and you're so important to the larger Oshkosh community, so that the other citizens of Oshkosh recognize your successes. I know all of you have hopes and dreams. Like Dean Smith, I would encourage you to dream big. There's nothing you can't do with a good education. And as someone smarter than I once said, education is like carving in stone. It can never be erased. Your education can never be taken away from you. So dream big. Look for ways to reach your dreams. And if one path doesn't work for you, try another one. Sometimes we're not always as successful as we'd like to be the first time, but there are ways to do that. One thing I would ask of those of you in the audience is to support these young people. There's been a lot of research that shows that it just takes one person to be a positive influence, a cheerleader or an encourager in the life of a young person to help them achieve success. I can give you a very old example from my family as a representative of this. My father's mother had her first child when she was just shy of her 17th birthday. That was my dad. And by the time she was 20, she had 3 children under the age of 3. She never went on to college, but she insisted that her boys were going to go to college. And that was a tough time. They were not a wealthy family, but she insisted, and she planted the seeds for those boys that they would go and finish college, and every one of them did. And every one of the grandchildren went to college. I'm one of them. So it takes one person. It was my grandmother who came to this country when she was 4 years old, who made a difference in generations of our family. And you can be those people like my grandmother to encourage these young people to continue to dream big dreams, to continue their education and continue to be successful. I want to thank all of you for inviting me here today. I want to congratulate the parents and family members as well as the scholarship winners. And on a side note, those of us in education don't always get to see the results of someone who starts in a school system and where they end up some years later. So it's been delightful for me today to join you for many reasons, but one of them is to see Galyua. I remember Galyua when she came into the school system many years ago. She was an elementary school student. She went on to play in the school orchestra. She's gone on to college and been successful. And now she's this wonderful young woman who's so articulate and expresses herself so well. And so let's give a big round of applause to Galyua today. So to all you scholarship winners, congratulations, best wishes. We all hope to see good things in your future, just as I've seen them personally in Galyua and in other people that I know. So thank you so much for having me, and have a great afternoon.
My Executive Director of the Hmong Wisconsin Chamber of Commerce. Teach the name of the Kuya to Patanya to Holo Kong Wakmatia, Lena Toshim what they say, Mine say.
Not your or Yawana, big two long side law, containing chance of low. And the Naguya minds I thought, Gonjoga to her, Kamenji to Gulaha, Guya to Executive Director to Hmong Wisconsin Chamber of Commerce, Hachitalaha Yatu Batanjo, Belu Hmong Coalition. Wisconsin United Coalition of Mutual Assistance Associations. Hmong Wisconsin Chamber of Commerce, ya ilu Gongho, nyoto Belu office, they nyoto Milwaukee, they be ilu chan nyoto Wasaha, to she Belu Gongho, ya lu Gongho, bang to be ya dula nyoto sing Wisconsin. Guha Sanka, go to staff, man hyong to me shuklaha, man go have tosha to bohaya. Mang haya to ohalunya to Belu Wasa office. Tinguya itu tauku hang ha. Ha on day chaplo go hasang hai lua chow to me. Me ya itu gao zhong hang to be ya yao. Nia be itu vin yao e gu zhong shan hata China go ha mo zu mong zhong dong ji me. Một lần chỉ là của yên giàu hồ một can trong nơi thang, để nơi yên bán chỉ ý cho yêu là ya bán thao yêu lưu du, ấy của sao ở châu cho mỹ tàu bán của là họ ha chỉ ta là họ tàu cho của tôn trù cũng cho mấy sọc là nó nón, nơi nó một tay của hai loạn kỹ sư ấy mấy họ thọ rằng lưu gì ha tôi xí họ chỉnh chỉnh mà của họ mua bị lù của họ xả hai cho lúa nó nón, thì tay ra cho lúa là tay ra lù ăn kỹ ít nhau dùng gì ra cho bữa. Ta chỉ có lại cái là họ sẽ khó dùng gì mà giờ cho cụ cả cụ cho lúc mong là chỉ cho mua là happy thì giờ dùng gì sao cho cụ Welcome everyone. Just a quick introduction to those who could not understand Hmong. My name is Mai Zitao and I'm the Executive Director of the Hmong Wisconsin Chamber of Commerce. We are an economic development organization statewide, headquartered in Milwaukee with a satellite office in Wausau. And our work really focuses on business development throughout the state of Wisconsin. So first of all, congratulations to the scholarship recipients. We look to you all as contributing members and leaders of our community. In this day and age is not a factor anymore. So at all points, young or old, our community needs you. As you continue pursuing your goals and your dreams, always continue to be your best self, living up to your potential that was given to you in order to give the world your best. Not just during your educational journey and future careers, but throughout your entire life. When we give the best of ourselves, the universe gives back to us tenfold. But as the chief of police did say, we have to dream big dreams and we have to set big goals. I would like to share with you 3 significant factors that I believe will also impact how successful you will be throughout college, throughout your career, and throughout life. Those 3 being opportunity, drive, and being connected. Each of us, I heard from one of our keynote speakers last year, we hold an annual business awards celebration, and our keynote speaker was a very successful entrepreneur from Minnesota, and his message to us that night was that each of us has luck. Now, I don't know if I necessarily believe in luck so much as opportunity, so I'm going to swap the words out. But he said that each of us has opportunities that come our way each and every day, but we have to be listening for it and watching for it. And then what are we going to do with that opportunity? So that is the question to you all, is what are you going to do with the opportunities that are given to you? Now drive, I'm going to keep that one simple. You have to have your own internal drive so that your dreams can be turned into reality. No one can give this to you, right? You know, I'm a parent as well. I brought my 2 children here because, as Dr. Barb said, you know, I want them to see you young folks as role models for them, although they're not necessarily enjoying being here and listening to all the speeches, but to plant that seed and to see you all. But we as parents, all we can do is encourage you, right, to pursue your dreams and to go to school, but we can't put that drive in you. So that drive has to come from deep within, and that will be one of the forces that will drive you towards success. And the third factor is being connected. I think everyone has heard the phrase of, it's not what you know, but who you know. And that's not so much just about in your career or in school, but that is truly about being connected to other people. What I have observed in our Hmong community, especially amongst our young folks and our young professionals these days, is there is a lack of being connected to others outside of our group of friends, outside of our family, and outside of those that we feel comfortable with. You have to surround yourself with those who have been and continue to be successful so that you can model after them. That is how each of us grow, because we connect with others who push us outside of our comfort zones, who we can then call upon for support and for wisdom. So the 3 factors that I believe will be key in your life towards success are opportunity, drive, and being connected. And lastly, I just offer several key points on living and on leadership. Live your life with passion and to being of service to others. Be bold in your thinking and in your actions, but be bold with integrity. And always remember, how can you lift others up along your own journey? Congratulations again to all of you, our young leaders, and thank you for this opportunity.
This year's 10 scholarship recipients, they were selected from a panel list of individuals from outside of the Hmong Service Center organization. we definitely had a very competitive pool of students in the areas of academic excellence, extracurricular activities, distinguished awards from various local, state, and international competitions, to volunteer activities with the various communities, to demonstrating financial need. Once again, congratulations to all of the 10 selected recipients. Please come to my right, or your left side, of course, as you guys come to receive your scholarship awards. First up, I would like to call for Dalini VANG. Please come up here. If everyone can please give her a round of applause. Dalini maintained a 4.0 GPA through high school. She graduated as one of the several valedictorians of her 2018 class. She plans to study American Sign Language and work towards becoming a trilingual and obtaining an ACL interpreter certificate. She was a member of the National Honor Society, Alive Inside, Blue Crew, Poetry Club, Notice Publications, Health Occupations of Student America, and is a team captain of the dance group Luna Bellas. She also volunteers for various activities and events in the community, from ringing bells from the Salvation Army to speaking to a community with disabilities at RCS Empowers about how Dalini's hearing loss does not define her abilities. Congratulations once again, Dalini. Next up is Pashua Chang. Everyone please give Pashua a round of applause. Pashua has a passion for helping others and is currently majoring in social work. She was the vice president for her high school's National Honor Society and student government. She is currently involved with several student organizations such as Food Recovery Network, Hmong Student Association. She also volunteers with the University Campus Ministry, which provides free lunch for all UW Milwaukee students. Congratulations once again, Pashua. Our third recipient is Selena VANG. Selena VANG, are you here? Or if your parents are here? Okay. So, yes, so it's my understanding that Selena cannot be here because she's at orientation, but she does have her parents here to accept the award on her behalf. I would like to announce that Selena graduated as the top 5% of her graduating class. She has a passion in the medical field. Selena's educational goal is to graduate with a Bachelor's of Science in Biomedical Science and obtain a Master's of Science in Anesthesia. She was a sophomore Senate secretary during her sophomore year in high school. She was also the president of the National Honor Society and secretary of Student Council. She has volunteered to help give blood drives with the Blood Center of Wisconsin and various other areas too as well. So congratulations, Selena. Our fourth recipient is Yi Yang. Yi Yang, if you are here, please come up here. Yi will be the first in her family to attend college this upcoming fall of 2018. Her goal is to become a pediatrician. She has participated in the youth committee during high school to help with various events and activities in the community. She was also a part of the youth committee at the Hmong American Friendship Association and has engaged in workshops about body imaging, bullying, gender roles, and many other topics. Once again, congratulations, Yi. Our next recipient is Alexis Lohr. Alexis Lohr, if you're here, could you please come up here? Everyone, please give her a round of applause. Alexis graduated at the top 5% of her class. She has a passion for helping animals and making people smile. Her goal is to become a veterinarian by obtaining a bachelor's degree in biology or chemistry and attend veterinary school to become licensed to practice medicine on small animals. She is also involved with student government, the National Honor Society. She was also president of her senior class and also the captain of the softball team. Congratulations, Alexis. Our next recipient is XIONG. Everyone please give him a round of applause. XIONG graduated maintaining a 4.0 and graduated as the top 1% of his high school class. He is a first-generation student in his family. He will be majoring in computer science. He was also a member of the National Honor Society Southeast Asian Club in Forensics. Congratulations, Cal. Our next recipient is Lisa Vang. Lisa Vang, please come up here. Everyone, please give Lisa a round of applause. She is a first-generation student to attend college in her family. She is pursuing a bachelor's degree in sociology. Lisa is involved with several school clubs and organizations. She definitely has a passion for helping the community. A unique fact about Lisa is that she participated in the Miss Hmong Wisconsin Teen 2017 pageant and placed second runner-up. Once again, congratulations, Lisa. Next up is Hua Vang. Hua Vang. Everyone, please give her a round of applause. Hua graduated as the top 2% of her high school class. She is looking to pursue a bachelor's degree in computer and electric engineering. She is a member of the National Honor Society and also the Boys and Girls Club of Greater Milwaukee. She has volunteered at a health fair to engage with the Hmong community and spread awareness and importance of health. Once again, congratulations, Hua. Our next scholarship recipient is Peng Ye Zhang. Peng Ye Zhang. Everyone, please give Peng Ye a round of applause. Peng Ye graduated in the top 10% of his high school class. He has a passion for medicine and has shadowed many medical doctors. With that, Peng Ye's goal is to become one herself. Peng Ye was also the vice president for DECA and the church's youth board. Peng Ye is currently working on a project called Little Libraries, which is looking to establish 3 small libraries for the elementary schools in the Racine County. Once again, congratulations, Peng Ye. Our last recipient is Nu Tao. Everyone, please give Nu Tao a round of applause. Nu Tao graduated in the top 25% of her class. She has an interest in pharmacy and medical field. She was the webmaster and vice president for Key Club, which is connected to a program called SERVE. Through Key Club alone, Nu has volunteered well over 100 hours of community service. One of the special things about Nu is that she was also part of the Healthcare Academy, which gathered more than 10 suitcases of hospital items, clothes, and other needs for families in Guatemala. Once again, congratulations to Nu and to all of our 10 scholarship recipients this year.